Evening, ma'am. Thank you for taking the time to join us tonight. We would like to learn from your experience as an OFW so that we can understand both challenges and rewards of working abroad. Can you state the countries you have been working as an OFW? And also, can you state the years have you been in as an OFW? Thank you. And I am John Patrick Gigodayo, a student from Western Philippines University taking the Bachelor of Science and Fisheries.
Hello, good evening. I am Janet Gadiano, an OFW in Middle East, partly in Bahrain and Kuwait, and 4 years as an OFW.
And I am Vince Ryan Pantinople from College of Fisheries and Natural Sciences, currently taking.
My name is Jomerdel Santa Teresa, first year college student and Bachelor of Science in Fisheries.
So my name is Leo Villanueva, first year college, Bachelor of Science in Fisheries.
Hi ma'am, I am John Chadwick De Lejero, studying at Western Philippines University, taking the course of Bachelor of Science and Fisheries.
Permission, we will now begin the interview. So, our questions are: what motivated you to work abroad?
First question is, what motivated you to work abroad? Well, it motivates me to work abroad is due to financial reason because of high salary that can help to support my family. Second is my career growth. The fact that here in the Philippines, there's a lot of college graduate, but they are unemployed. So we as OFW grab the opportunity to work abroad as we believe it can help to our family to escape from poverty.
What are the biggest challenges you face as an OFW?
What are the biggest challenge I face as an OFW? Homesick. It is really hard to be far from my family. Second, culture shock, and the third is the loneliness and stress.
Was it hard to be away from your family and friends? And how did you handle the loneliness?
Was it hard to be away from your family and friends? How did you handle the loneliness? Of course, it is very hard. I cope the loneliness by keeping my connections with my family by Facebook during my free time and listening music.
Here's the question. What was the biggest adjustment when you had to make when you first moved?
What was the biggest adjustment I had to make when I first moved? The biggest adjustment is culture shock and needed to adapt and learn the new language and adapt the new environment in foreign country.
What advice would you give to new OFW who are still adjusting to life abroad?
What advice would I give to new OFWs who are still adjusting to life abroad? Pray always and maintain the mental and emotionally well-being and continue the connection with the family and practice self-care.
And the last and final question. What do you like most about working in another country?
What do I like most about working in another country? Well, aside from high salary, it is also a chance to me to travel abroad as well as learn new language and have a great opportunities.
So, that's all for our questions, ma'am. Thank you for your cooperations. This interview is for educational purposes only. Your identity will not be public, and all informations will be uh, co- confidentials only. And again, thank you for your cooperations po.